Dimapur District Disability Committee NSRLM and Blessing Bonding NGO bra Samagra Shikha DMA Dimapur logo मिली ना आज December 3rd दिन दे International Day of Persons with Disabilities मनाई से इधर प्रोग्राम दो मनु कुन mentally और physically न पूंजे ताकन करने रखी से Fostering Disability Inclusive Societies for Advancing Social Progress लगा थीम अंडर दे Dimapur La Organization अलग-अलग प्रभाल और interesting programs आने से है भी सब
Teacher and my dear friends, today I will give one poem in Hindi. आज जिंदा है कल गुजर जाएंगे, कौन जानता है कब बिछड़ जाएंगे. नाराज ना होना मेरी इन शरारत से, ये मेरी और वो पल है जो कल बहुत याद आएंगे. Thank you everyone.
I take this privilege to welcome all the officials from various departments, organizations, parents and guides of children with special needs, and not forgetting our students with disabilities. Today, as we come together, it is not just to celebrate or observe this day, but it is for us to reaffirm our commitment towards an inclusive world where every person, regardless of their ability, participates fully and proudly with confidence.
My name is Yang Wata, World Disability Day 2025. Theme: Fostering Disability Inclusive Societies for Advancing Social Progress. Reminds us that fostering disability inclusive society is crucial for a social progress, as it ensures that everyone participates and contributes to progress, as exclusion hinders growth and violates human rights. A society becomes truly inclusive when it realizes and removes barriers, whether physical or communicative, for everyone to contribute and progress.
Thank you, Chairperson. My name is Anito and I'm the chairman of Blessed Bonding. Our Blessed Bonding is a community as we have formed for our children with intellectual disabilities. And today I would like to thank the organizing committee for accepting and giving us the platform here for expressing our needs. Blessed Bonding is a community from different backgrounds sharing the responsibility of a caregiver and a voice of our children we stand and support the children with intellectual disabilities. We try to reach out to the farthest possible to fulfill the needs and rights of our children. We conduct programs and observe days which are related to the needs of our children, and we also strive to make a better world for our children. Their welfare solely depends on dedicated parents and concerned citizens for their day-to-day lives. We struggle, but for a cause. We yield, not because we don't have options. And we pray and approach the world because we are all humans, and with the hope that our society understands and accepts the vast humanitarian values and the undeniable fact that we are all God's children, having our own uniqueness and beauty of life. On this day, we stand for all those blessed in different ways and abilities, and also expect the world to elevate their perspective and value each and every soul that exists for a meaningful journey. What good is our ability when we cannot protect and give concern for the less fortunate? In doing the right thing, we elevate the moral standards of our society. In accepting the uniqueness of our diversity, we are bearing the true fruits of a civilized society. With a blessed bonding, thank all the concerned citizens and groups in making a successful endeavor through such programs like today, an upliftment for our children. Eta ama baba han parents han aro kun han caregiver ase itu han ge ekta message dibole mon thagia do apni han mon chute na koribe kote kote thagilebe ami han ko barrier nai agibra ami han laga chairperson bra kwanisna ami han society de barrier na rakhibole koshish koria ami han do differences ko na rakhibole koria aji laga din ininga bra ami han kiman reach out kuro bare ami han la target tu itu asa ami han la moto itu asa ami han la ichha itu ase itu karone ami han kote kote thagilebe ami han ekjon ke itu belongingness thagigine ami han kote kote log pailebe itu differences na thagigine ami han aji inclusive kurubo kwanisna world sabte itu observe kwanisna itu khali letters den hoigina ami in spirit bi hobo lage itu karone ami han kiman jon ase ami la bacha do alag ase ami la bacha do isolate kurubo ene ala bhabna ko na rakhibe aro ami han ki ase ishor bra ki dishe ami han proudly itu loigine jabo itu bro ami hala bacha tai ki deserve kore itu handa ami han dinai na kuri dibo gina aji ami hala bacha an garne aro kiman jon ami han yete related matters te ami han itu disability de observe kuro la isha sobke bal message digine ami blessed bonding la side fenor ami han sobke all the best in life when I wish kuri. Thank you so much.